So Saleha Sharief Sheikh, your name is SSS, is a triple S,
Yes, sir.
is a 3S, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So heartiest congratulations to you, Saleha Sharief Sheikh,
Thank you, sir.
for achieving the Nebosh IGC certificate in the first attempt.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So this is your parchment certificate in beautiful file.
Yes, sir.
See, you can see here.
Yes, sir.
So Saleha Sharief Sheikh, Nebosh IGC, and this is your congratulation letter.
Okay.
And this is your Nebosh International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. This is to certify that Saleha Sharief Sheikh was awarded this qualification on 6th November 2024. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this is your course completion certificate. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this many blank leaves are there.
Yes, sir.
So for your career progressive development, you make it ensure that everything good certification should be keep making
Sure,
it.
sir.
Okay,
Sure.
yeah. So heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Now tell me, Saleha Sharief Sheikh, how did you got connected to 3S Life Safe Academy?
Actually, I search. I'm from Bangalore. Actually, I'm working in Bangalore, but I'm not from Bangalore. Usually, I used to search regarding Nebosh. Then I got while searching in YouTube. I saw first YouTube in YouTube.
Okay.
While searching, the main results will be our Bangalore. It is showing. Then afterwards, I'm from Bangalore only. Na? That's why I thought of coming here and get the information regarding Nebosh, how the actually works.
Okay.
I meet the Vandana ma'am and I paid the amount and I joined the class at night. They are 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
Okay. Okay. Which tutor class did you went?
Sir?
Which tutor who taught you?
Rahul sir class.
So you said that you're working in Bangalore.
Yes.
Your educational background?
My education background is BCom degree.
BCom degree. And you're working for which domain?
I'm working from Joyalukkas Jewelry Department.
Oh, Joyalukkas.
In e-commerce department.
E-commerce, okay.
E-commerce.
Okay. And you are from which place? Native?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, near Vijayawada,
okay.
Guntur.
Guntur, yeah. So how did you, this is totally like you're working in jewelries
actually, my
store.
My sister husband is working in Saudi Arabia. In same field actually. He suggested me. Actually, I am interested to go to Saudi Arabia. Unexpectedly, I joined in jewelry department. I have no experience before in jewelry department. Now, till now, I have 4 years experience in jewelry department. Then I thought of do job in Saudi Arabia. Already my relatives are there. He suggested me to do any certification like Nebosh. Then I have selected Nebosh and have selected 3S Academy as a learning partner.
No, I'm really surprised that you're like from the BCom background and then you're working for e-commerce in the very good retail chain of the Joyalukkas. Okay, there's a very famous jewelry retail chain. Okay, many branches across the Bangalore and other countries. Even in Dubai also they have a branch. Okay. Yeah, and then you're working in e-commerce. So did you had some ideas, knowledge about the health and safety earlier? Because taking this as a BCom and working as a e-commerce.
No, I had no idea, nothing, zero knowledge. After joining only, I had to get an idea of how the industries was, how the safety and health department works in the safety industry, and then.
Okay. So yeah, continue.
My relatives also explained regarding this. It has a great scope in the construction field, industrial field. You do better, your life will be very good.
Yeah, very well. Yeah. How much did you score?
Score is very less.
Okay, no problem. But you passed successfully in the first attempt. Okay, that is also good, no? See, not having a background and then passing it in the first attempt is a great achievement actually. And yeah, and definitely as your relatives have been there in the Saudi and Dubai, and then they guided you to do this course. Okay, definitely this course will add the value, and it will make you better pathway for the careers and the further future progressive development. Okay, yeah. So very good, very good. So how did you find the overall tutorial journey under the 3 years? Like how was the tuitions was been provided?
Tuitions are very knowledgeable. Explained. The one who has zero knowledge also has gained something to achieve the certificate, to achieve the exam. It is better. It is good.
So he was involved in the homework and
Yes, yes, they have given a task for everyday task like that of explaining the scenarios, everything, initial scenarios, tasks, everything had made me to pass the exam very easily. Like
so. So now, will you recommend other your friends to join 3S?
Sure, sure. I have given assurance to Vandana ma'am also. If any friends are interested in that, I will help to join Nebosh in 3 years learning partner.
Very good, very good.
Sure, sir. I will be
Very good.
thankful.
Yeah. Very thankful. And your name is 3S only, okay?
Yes, already.
Your name is 3S. Yeah. So very good. Yeah. Very heartiest congratulations. So this is the complimentary file and this cover from the 3S Life Safe Academy. So take this photograph, okay? Thank you and coming here for collecting your certificate, okay?
Yes, sir.
Empowering 3S safety, 3S excellence.